We'll guide you through how to design a Wix website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New Site button. You'll be prompted to choose what kind of website you want to create, like a blog, online store, or portfolio. Pick the one that best matches your needs. Next, you'll have two options. Use the Wix ADI, which automatically creates a site based on your answers to a few questions, or choose the Wix editor for more control. For a more personalized design experience, select the Wix editor. This option gives you full freedom to drag and drop elements exactly where you want them. Start by picking a template that fits your style. You can browse through various categories like business, photography, or events to find the perfect look. Click on a template to preview it, and if you like it, click Edit to start customizing. Once in the editor, you can change text, add images, and insert new sections. Use the toolbar on the left to add features like galleries, videos, and buttons. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts by clicking on elements and using the design menu. To add new pages, go to the Pages menu at the top, click Add Page, and name it accordingly. Drag and drop the new page to arrange your site's navigation. Don't forget to optimize for mobile by clicking the mobile icon on the top bar. This ensures your site looks great on all devices. When you're satisfied with your design, click Preview to see how it looks live. If everything checks out, click Publish in the top right corner to make your site live on the internet. Remember, you can always come back and make changes anytime. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.